How to fix undo device backup issue in Google Photos. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix undo device backup issue in Google Photo. If you're experiencing an issue where the undo device backup process is stuck, follow these steps. First thing, you want to make sure or ensure that you have a stable and a strong Wi-Fi or a cellular data connection. So unstable network can halt the process. So what you want to do is simply swipe down, and then you could long press onto the connections or internet, and then we can restart it. That should be able to help. Now, next thing, what you also want to do is try restarting. Sometimes a temporary glitch can be resolved with a restart or a simple restart. So go to your restart button and then restart your device. That might be able to fix. Next, what you could also do is make sure your Google Photos app is updated to the latest version by the Google Play App Store or the App Store. For that, you just want to go to the Play Store, type in Google Photos on the search bar and install or update the app to the latest version. Now, despite doing all this, if nothing works out, then it could be your device's storage. So the undo device backup functions involve processing files on your device. Ensure you have a sufficient internal storage available for the process to complete smoothly. Next, you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. For that, you just want to open up settings onto your device and go to storage, or you could just go to the app section. Now from the list, as you go to the app section, then you could go ahead and open the Google Photos, and this is where you will be able to clear your cache, and that's how it's done. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.